right, in this video today, going to take you guys really are going to create your own um wallet flasher. If you want to flash any wallet, splash the registration button, click the bell icon, turn it on your right to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And for those who are looking any kind of scripts you're looking for, you can contact me. You can get it from me. So if you like this video, thumbs me up. So I'm going to tell you guys vividly how we're going to do this. So I'm going to take the most important key parts of this video so that it won't be so long, okay? So I've already I've built the front end, and here is the back end, right? So this is it. Okay, so right now here, um um okay, I want to just send a deposit mail using Binance so that you guys can see it and how it works. Okay, so um let me verify this right now. This is so for those that want to use it for business purposes, like you want to put license queues so that you can be able to be selling it out. There is a feature for the verification of license so that anybody, it's not everybody that can be able to make use of the website, only when you purchase the valid keys from the owner of the website. So let me do this. Let me try to deposit. Let's see if it goes through. Let me see. Binance. This is receiver email address, and then receiver address, and then coins, and then let's say 6,000, and then let's generate. Let me click generate. Okay, it's loading. The page has expired. This has been there since, but let me reload it. So let's check. I believe it went through. The page was open since, and then my network was like I disconnected the network, so instead of me to refresh before making use of it, but I did not refresh it, so that's not dropped yet. So let me go and refresh it. Okay, login. Login right now. Copy the code. Okay, so paste it there and verify it. So I want to try Binance. Trying Binance. Let's say USDT and then US. You can see. All right. The address there, coin. Let's say 700. Okay. and then generate. So it's been generated. Right now you can see it's been generated. So let's go to my email and see if it went through. You can see it here. It's deposit. You can see your deposit of so amount has been deposited to your Binance, okay? And then this also has been withdrawn from your Binance. So this is how you can do it. So everything is working perfect. So if you need the script, you can contact me. I'll provide it for you. And there will be a video on how to install the scripts, but I don't want to do it into this video right now. So I'm going to create a video on how to do the installation different, and then I'll upload it on my YouTube. But so far I just want you guys to see it, how it works, and the rest. So if you need online banking, you can also contact me. Okay, on online banking. And then what else? Any kind of website, any kind of script, you can contact me. You can get it from me. So I'm doing this for educational purposes, not for any fraudulent activities. So I don't advise it to use it for any fraudulent activities, just only for educational purposes. So that is it. I'll see you guys in another video. Okay.